Good morning, everyone. Wednesday, February 11th. And yeah, not much happening. Finished with 94, 96 yesterday. It seems like I go to bed, I don't know, like 10:30. And it seemed like the last couple nights, whatever, and I always check it before I go to bed. And it just doesn't seem like there's many sales, if any, coming in overnight, like from wherever. And then off to 28.71 this morning. So let's see what's going out. 10 orders for $112. And I don't think it's going to take long to pack up. So, yeah, well, that's okay. Decent amount of airplanes going out today. Make sure none of them are going overseas. Uh, Still sorting cards. I have so many boxes that are just strewn all over the shelving units down here. But I went through a box yesterday, and the other day I found a $50 Disneyland card, and last night I found a $100 card. So hopefully it sells. My members, I talked about it. I just did. It was one of the latest. Is my bolo is still bolo video. So yeah, hopefully it sells. One just sold for. It's a different view, and it just sold for $110 just within the last month or so. So mine's a little bit different, and so I just listed it for $100. So we'll see what happens. Doesn't take up any room. That's how much room it takes up. Let me see. And if you want to find out what I'm talking about, I have the membership, $4.99 a month. You can cancel, binge and cancel, or stick around, whichever you do. I appreciate it. There's some value to be had, I think, and others have mentioned. So, yeah, there's that. More. Put this one away there, awesome. I don't even know how many boxes I have to go through. And I don't know why I'm grabbing lens wipes. I know why. But it's got to be 50 plus boxes easily. I'll get to them someday. There's that one. Which I still have leftover boxes from, York's done. The last boxes I bought at York are done. I still have some boxes left over, some Dave boxes, and some boxes I got at Allentown. So I still have some of that, and then still some boxes from some buyouts I've done over the years. And what I'm getting at is this weekend on Whatnot, Saturday, I'm going to sell them by the white box. So that's going to be boxes like that. I'm not going to throw them into flat rate boxes. It's just going to be shipped. As long as those boxes, I had to buy boxes to fit those boxes, and they should be here by Friday. And that is a fat cardinal. They're making a mess out there. That's a chubby guy. So yeah, I added a little bird feeder. Getting more birds since all the snow is out there, but squirrels have already come and gone. So anywho, you're not here for squirrel bird cam. So yeah, Saturday I'm gonna sell them by the box. Let me see. AS3. What is this one? And then, of course, that's what I got to do. I made a list this morning of everything I need to get done, and I forgot to include it. I got to get my Paperpalooza listings done for Sunday at 8. I think it's an hour show, so I'll have 20 plus listings. I should have some postcards for that. So 2 opportunities to buy in bulk for me this weekend on Whatnot. Maybe I can pull in Mr. Beast numbers. Got this at York. Come on. I don't know where it's going. It's probably going to go, the way they're wording that message, don't include any receipt or invoice. I bet it's going overseas, and they don't want to pay customs. This is probably like a drop shipper type of mailing service. I see those every once in a while, especially Canada. They go out to, I think, Seattle or somewhere out there, or right across the border, and I'm sure the person just drives over to their post office box. It's like mailboxes, etc. type of thing. And I'm sure they do that to avoid paying VAT and stuff like that. So, hey, my responsibility is to get it to the initial address. If they want to break the law after that, that is on them. Oh yeah, I remember listing this car. It took me a while, I think, to find out where it was. Yeah, because I don't think it really says on it where it is. 237. I don't know. I'm trying to see when I listed that. I don't know. Years ago. I don't even know when I'll get done sorting what I got. I'm doing, God, I don't know. I think yesterday I did 10 boxes. I've done a lot. I have a lot still. BA3. German Reich. I had one of these cards that I may have mentioned it, that it was like a mortar from World War II. And eBay wouldn't let me list it because they thought I was selling real live, like, hand grenade type things. It's a postcard, dummies. There we go. What else we got? We got the Beatles. Oh, same tab. That's a weird tab. I have the German Reich, and I have Paul McCartney in the same tab. Larry Ferrari, or whatever. Signed. That's a great photo. Wonder why that one hasn't sold. I bet I have that listed for about $100. No, I only have her listed for $30. Looks like a Jack Russell. Huh, that's a bargain. That's a cool little doggy there. Okay. AW11, last one. So, yeah, easy shipping day. I mean, with postcards, it's almost always an easy shipping day. Long gone are those days it takes an hour to pack something. I don't miss those days a bit. Although I have stuff like that I need to pack. I need to list. Come on, where are you? There it is. Okay. Oh yeah, I got my invoice for that auction I won yesterday. $1.22 for a box of postcards. And so I picked that up on Friday. And they charged my credit card, so I can't imagine they made a whole bunch of money on that sale. So, I don't know. I may do a like an unboxing for the members on that one just to take a look what's in there. So, stay tuned for that. I did a quick refresh, didn't I? Yep. Okay. Nothing else going out. Everybody, I hope you have a great day of sales. Membership, $5. Learn, get inside of here what I know. What I know, you know. Members. Okay. That's it. We'll see you tomorrow.